Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Okay, finally it is working after so many trying. By the mercy of Sri Krishna, we are able to make it work. Oh no, this is very weird, right? Cannot. Oh, what is happening? Ah, so we'll start now. Change the pen. Okay, it's fine. So, Hare Krishna. So we have been given if px equals to qy equals to rz where xyz are in gp, then which of the following statements is correct? So pqr in ap. Suppose we will take x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to 3. Okay, so pqr in ap. So p equals to q square equals to r cube. So let us take any number. Let us take r equals to 2 or p equals to 2. If p equals to 2, then q will be equals to 4, and if q equals to 4, then r will be equals to 16. 2 2 4 2. Still q will be 8. So will it be equal? No, it won't be in a ap. Oh, sorry, wait. If p equals to q square equals to r to the power of 4. Okay, so uh, this is what we have in gp, right? So let us take r equals to 2. If r equals to 2, then it will be 16. If 2, then it will be equals to 8, then it will be equals to, and or so, yes or no? So simply it is not an ap. First one is wrong. pqr. Okay, so ln p, ln q, and log ln ln r are in gp. So we can take the same old similar old values. Log 16 equals to log 4. Log 4 equals to log 2, right? So we can write it as 4 log 2 and equals to 2 log 2 and equals to log 2. So 4 equals to 2 equals to 1. So yes, this is in gp, and the rest are in not in gp. Okay, so only the b will be the correct answer. So moving on to the next question. um here we have been given a and b are two non-empty sets of set A, and A complement and B complement represent their. Okay, so which of the following is correct? So A minus B equals to B complement minus C complement. Oh, sorry, A complement. So let us suppose A minus B, and we can also write U minus B minus A, universal set minus A set. So what does it becomes? A minus B equals to U minus B U, and it becomes what? Plus A. So it simply becomes A minus B equals to A minus B. So this will be the cut and taken onto here. So it is correct. The first one is correct. So let us check the second one. I'm sorry. For the slant, A minus B complement equals to A complement minus B. So let us, so A minus universal set minus B equals to, how can we read? Eraser? Is it the eraser? No. Yeah. Okay. um A complement, so U B. So minus U plus 2 U, and minus U plus B. Is it anywhere equal? U. So it is plus B. So it is not equals. So which option will be correct? So only first option will be correct. A. Is everybody able to listen to me? Am I audible to you all? Yes, I am audible. Thank you. So moving on to the next question. It can be a easy question, or we will see what will be a hope. Okay, so we have been given, let y equals to x factorial, y equals to x factorial 5. Okay, and z equals to 2x factorial, it is whole factorial. And if z upon y equals to 120, okay, then what is the value of 3 factorial? Interesting question. So we have y equals to x factorial, so z upon factorial, and we can also see here z equals to 2x, so 2x whole factorial equals to 120. So what do we get here? Oh, sorry, 2x, 2x minus 1, and we will be continuing multiplying it. 2x minus 2, and simply continue, go on, 2x minus 3. After continue moving on, what will we obtain? So somewhere we will obtain 2x minus x, yes or no, and upon x factorial. So what is 2x minus x? It is simply x factorial, yes or no? So we'll have it cut it down. So how many digits have we obtained? So we have 2x, 2x minus 1, and also we have 2x minus 2. which is equal to 120. So we only have to take 3x, what, yes or no? So we have 1, 2 and 3, yes. So what will be the value of this? How can we identify? So what's the 3-digit place? Can we place any 3 digits? Yes, we can. So 6, 6, 5 and 4. Yes, 6 into 5 into 4 equals to 120. So what will be the value of x? X is simply divided by 2 equals to 3. So what's the value of 3 into 3 factorial? That's simply 9 factorial, and that's value of 362880. Answer number A. It was, we can say it was an average question for me. Okay, now let us move on to question number 4. Let n be a natural number. The number of consecutive zeros at end. How many expansions of n factorial is exactly 2? So how many, let n be a natural number, the number of consecutive zeros at the end of expansion of n is exactly 2. How many values of n are possible? So when we do you know what, when we do 10 factorial, how many zeros do we obtain? We obtain 2 zeros at the last. And if we do 11 factorial, we also obtain 2 zeros at the last, because we are also multiplying it by 10. And if we obtain 10 into 11 into 12, then we also still obtain 12 zeros. You might be thinking, how am I doing it? So simply we can check by this. So if we divide 5 divided by 10, and what will the value? So it will be 2. And if we continue going on like this, so 5 divided by 15, so the answer will be 3. So we'll have 3 values here of 0. So how many values do we have? So 10, 10 to last 14 value. So 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer will be 5. Option number C is the correct answer. So not more than 5, only 5. And we can also say that, yeah, if we go from 15 to 20, you'll have what? How many zeros? You'll have, you will have how many zeros? Exactly 3 zeros. Yes. Okay, sorry, I just got this wrong. Now here is a log question once again. So we can write it. 10 plus log 10x, 10 plus log 10y, and 10 plus log 10z. So these are in AP. So first of all, we have to check that the growth mean of x and z is y square. So the growth mean of x and z is y square. So we can also write it like this: log 10x and log 10y and log 10z. Yes or no? So if it is asking about the GP, so sorry, GM, so we will have to do what? Let us check the square of it. X and z. So the x and z is y square. So it is not y square. It must be y only. Okay, it must be y only. So the GM of it is always the middle one. The growth mean of three of these is always the middle one. So it will not be y square, it will be y. So it is correct, it is wrong. Okay, the second option is the AM of log 10x and log 10z and log 10y. Okay, so 10x and 10z log 10y. So if we have been asked what's the basic formula of GM, GM's basic formula is y equals to root x into z. So but it's not y square. Okay, it's not y square. Oh, we have been asked. So AM is always the middle one, so AM is correct and GM is not correct. I was thinking about this, yes. Okay, so first one is not correct and second one is correct. What is the reason of this? It is because y equals to root x into z and it must be what? Y, so it's not correct. And it is always, AM is always the middle one. So what is in the middle? X, Y and Z. So Y is in the middle, so AM will be Y. Very simple. Option number B only. Okay, here while we move, to series of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 amount to a special sum of, so we have read the formula of n square. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So any 6th class child can do this. We will have to just count the numbers till 9 and then we'll have to go. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, it's not, it's not. So option number D will be the correct answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, so it is the correct answer, because if we multiply into the same number, so then we will obtain this only. Okay, this whole number. So moving on to question number 7. Can you hear me? Let me check. Can you hear me? Yes, 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 you can hear. Okay, okay, okay. We have done question number 6. Now we will move on to question number 7. So how many terms are identical in the two APs going on from 19, 21, 23 to 110? The P is what? 19, 22, 5 and till the number of 70. Sure. Why? Was a four. This is put it in. What is the remainder of 5 to the power? 5 to the, can we opt? What is 5 to the power? No, no. So what number will be the 13? we are getting 5 to the power. This means that minus 5 divided by, yes or no? So we will get minus 5 by 30. What is minus 5 by 30? So simply 13, sorry, 13 minus 5. So the answer will be option number C. Okay, is very easy. Going downwards, what is the value of determinant? What is the value of the determinant of the inverse of the matrix? Okay, so first we will have to find out determinant of the inverse of the matrix. So we will have to find out the A inverse. So what's 4 minus 4 into 2? It is simply so if we add, so it will, so what will be the answer? 2, but it is asking the inverse, so it will be option number A. How many? Very easy question, very easy question. Okay, let's move to this. Okay, in a class of 45, so suppose we have a class of 45 students. Okay, and okay, so will be 45. Let me draw two circles in the circle. uh, this can be the circle number 2 here. Okay, so 34 like to play cricket, so 34 like to 26 to play football. Further, each students like to play um further each students like to play at least one of the two games. So students does like to play at least one of the two games. So if we combine 34 plus 26, it becomes what, 60. And if we, how many students like exactly one games, so we will have to separate out this portion. We will have to only found exactly number of A sets, cricket sets, and football players. Okay, yes. So how many will have left? It will be 15. Yes or no? So if we subtract 34 minus 15, so how many students will we get? We will get what? 19 number of students. Okay, and if we subtract it from 26, we'll get 11 number of students. So 19 plus 11, so it will be option number B. It is easy. It is just that we have to make our brain, we have to train our brain. Yes or no? Sometimes our brain plays very much that no, it's hard. Yes, it's sometimes hard. Okay. Um, moving on to the next question. Okay. So we have got this system of equation. So we just simply have to, sorry, 2 divided by 50 equals 3 divided 10, 5 divided 3. So this is not divisible. So simply the 15 is possible. So this is simply not possible. So it is inconsistent solution. It does not have a unique solution, but it is inconsistent. Okay, moving on. Sorry, my pen snip is broken absolutely. We have already read this. What we rationalize it, then it is what will we have to do? Will tell you later on. Okay, we have got this freaking Kramer rule. So what if we divide this value by what Kramer rule? So d by d2. So we will have 16. Sorry, 7 here, then 6, then 22 here. So you can divide it and check it there, and later on after dividing it and checking it, what will we obtain? So 1 into 16 into 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 7, 4 into 3, 22 minus 16 we get minus 3. So we will get minus 3 here. Okay, let us check. So this is simply wrong. Numbers would be there, and this is also wrong. Let us check this. So b a b inverse equals to I. No, it's wrong. So none is correct, because if BA inverse would be there, then it would have been correct. Okay. Um, let us check these two also. Let me. I guess now you can see it. So we have got A, B, C, L11 and PQR. So what has he done? We have to go by options. A, B, C. So it is wrong. You can ask why so, because minus sign would be required. If these two are changed, then minus sign is required. So a element here, element above, A is below, and PQR is the same. Minus sign would be required. Okay, so LMN is below, minus sign, PQR is above, and ABC is okay. Wait a second. ABC went down, minus sign. L11 went down, minus sign, and PQR went down, minus minus plus. So option number C looks correct. Kind of. Yes or no? Okay, so option number C looks correct to me, because um, if we had called ABC down here, so minus sign. So PQR went up once again, plus sign. What? What? Okay. Let us do check this. ABC came here down. LMN went up. Minus sign. Yes, plus sign. This correct. Option number C. Okay. Okay, it's very. We'll get the answer. We'll do till question number 20 today. So how many four digit numbers that are there that can be divisible by without repetition of the digits not allowed? Okay. So how many four number digits are there? Simply say. Yes, I remember. Kind. Okay. So P plus C, P, A, B, C. So we can do what? We can write A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3. Sorry, 2 and 3. So then later on we can check it and give P as some value. P equals to 1 also, whatever also. Okay, it is depending upon to you that whatever value you give. Okay, do it yourself, DIY. Which of the following greatest coefficient of x to the power grid? Okay, so it is a question of binomial theorem. Hare Krishna, please. Wrong, wrong. Krishna, please. So we can do this question very. How many points can we 4? 6? Can do it and check it on. Okay. Oh, it's quite easy paper. Have to remember it. Yes or no? Okay, bye. See you very very soon. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare. Krishna Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Rakshama. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Pahima. Ram Raghav Raghav, Ram Raghav. Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama. Prabhupada. Jai, Jai Gaur Premanand, Hari Hari.